Hello and welcome to Reylands. Today I've got the pleasure of walking around this beautiful Volkswagen California. It's just arrived with us. So the registration is Kilo Lima 18 Delta Sierra Oscar. It's only had one owner from new. It's the one to have. It's 150 horsepower with the DSG gearbox. Absolutely rammed full of extras. I'm going to walk you around showing you them. So the first one we'll see is the fully electronic roof. This is raised and lowered simply by pushing a button inside the cab. So we'll raise that roof for you now. So as you can see, the roof is raising. It's, as I said, simply done by just pushing a button. And there we have it, the roof is now fully elevated. So starting from the front end, we can see we've got front parking sensors and front fog lights. Features alloy wheels, completely unmarked. So the vehicle is currently set up into what we refer to as day mode. So the roof is up, which we just saw go up. Our awning is out, our table and chairs is all set up. So let's take a closer look. So as I said, the table and chairs are out. These chairs in fact fold away and go inside the tailgate. I'll show you where they go shortly. Got a nice fold out table as well. That goes inside this sliding door here when it's closed. So let's take a look inside. So we've got fantastic seating here for four. Twin captain seats here in the front. Nice area, nice light and airy, so we can look out across our view here where we're parked here at Reylands car sales today. So underneath these cabinets here we reveal our twin gas hob burner and our sink. Sink's still actually even got the protective wrapping on the plug. It's an extremely well loved van, this one. Very little wear at all. So on the end here we can see our switches, so we can turn our lighting on. So we've got under cabinet lighting here. You also see we've got a 3-pin 240 volt plug socket and a 20 amp cigarette style socket as well for charging or running any of our devices. Just give you the perspective here from the other side, looking across our captain's seats. So while we're on this side, just show you inside the fridge. Also got the basket inside there as well. This table folds and slides into this area here. We'll show you that shortly as we're going to get it all set up for sleeping. We'll show you the front cab controls at the end of the video. So we have it there. So we'll get that all set up for night mode for sleeping. To the rear here, we've got rear parking sensors. We also have a Westphalia tow bar. We also have a reverse camera as well. Another nice option to have on the vehicle. Nice and clean loading area as well. No scratches or anything whatsoever there. This is in fact the area where our chairs go when they're folded away. So as we look down this side here, there's no scratches nor dents or anything like that. As I said, I really can't stress how good a condition this Ocean is. Even the roof here, completely unmarked. No rips nor snags nor tears whatsoever. I'll show you the top of the roof the other side shortly. So on the side here we'll find our lockable storage area for our water. And also our hookup for when we're on campsite. Again, as I said, alloy wheels, 17 inches, completely unmarked there. Bridgestone tyres here as well. Just while we're down this side, just to show you our fantastic view here at Reylands car sales, looking across South Somerset. Really nice day today. So we're all set up now, I believe. So let's take a look inside. So our bed is all set up. We also have the comfort mattress as well. In my opinion, is a must. You can see we've got some of our lighting on in the rear. Our blinds are down, they just pull down. Really simple. As I said, this has been set up so quickly. And then if we just walk through here, I can show you up inside the top bunk area. Nice big double up here as well. And that simply raises up. When we want to push it up out of the way, we also have zip up windows there as well. As I said, I'll just show you the roof on this side as well. As you can see, no marks, rips, snags, tears whatsoever. The roof is absolutely fantastic. Beautiful reflection there to the paintwork. So let's jump in and have a look inside. So the van has only covered 23,344 miles. That's 23,344. We've got a nice option here. We can use Android Auto, Apple CarPlay and MirrorLink. We also have satellite navigation. Again, nice thing to have. We've got a phone here for hands-free calls, so we can link our phone, answer our phones legally. We also have DAB radio. And we can connect any other media devices. We also have, let's just start the van a second. We also have here heated seats. So that's just a little warning there, just to let us know that our roof is still open, not to drive away. Just cancel that. So as I said, heated front seats. We've got air conditioning as well. All important DSG gearbox. Absolutely superb. We also have paddle shift on here as well. It's a rare option. You can just change gear simply by touching the paddles. Cruise control. Our buttons here for answering our hands-free calls. Electric windows. Electric folding mirrors that are also heated as well. So just show you there on the instrument panel, there is no warning lights whatsoever. Drives absolutely superb. Driven it myself. I'll just show you another feature a second. We'll just select reverse a minute just to show you. There's our reverse camera. Again, we can see our tow bar there as well if we were to tow a small trailer. A lot of people use that maybe for adding a bike rack. We also have Park Pilot as well. So we've got our visual parking sensors as well. Up here we've got our management system. So we can go into various options here on the van. Look at our leisure batteries, which we can see here is 14.1 volts. We can also turn on our fridge. And we can also turn on our night heater, which I'll just show you on the keys here as well. So simply by flicking this button here on, we can turn on and off our heater, so we can sit outside our van, flick the button and our heating comes on. Nice brushed aluminium trim there to the dash as well. So there we have it, Volkswagen California Ocean, one owner from you. You also may have noticed we're proud to say we are AA Cars standard dealer. So this vehicle comes with 12-month roadside AA cover, free of charge. All ready to go and enjoy for the summer. If you'd like to purchase, feel free, give us a call on 01460 312 923. That's 01460 312 923. Or of course, view reylandscarsales.co.uk where you'll see many more campers. Hope you enjoyed watching. We'll speak to you soon.